This has taken us as a surprise as well. I can see someone very special coming in with their blue sash. I know what that means. So it's big news here at the Forex Expo Dubai 2025 today, everyone. We have the Guinness World Records team with us for a very special announcement. So I would love to invite them onto the stage. Take out your phones. You're all part of this monumental moment. And let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Put your hands together for the Guinness World Records team. I don't actually. Oh, I love the team, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hanan and I am an official adjudicator with Guinness World Records. I have been here throughout the day for 2 record attempts by the Forex Expo. Do you know any of them? No? So they were attempting the largest attendance to a Forex Expo and the largest number of exhibitors at a Forex Expo. So this year Guinness World Records is celebrating 70 years of record breaking. So it's a real privilege to be here for yet another record attempt. So I can say that the Forex Expo have adhered to all of the guidelines for both of their attempts. So on that note, let's give them a big round of applause and congratulations on adhering to their guidelines. Both of these records were new titles, so they have not been done before, but they do still have a minimum number to achieve. So for the largest attendance at a Forex event, the minimum number is 10,000 people. For the largest number of exhibitors, the most exhibitors at a Forex event, the minimum number is 250. So before I announce whether they have succeeded in these attempts, if I may invite to the stage Mr. Srihari and Mr. Michael from the Forex Expo. Please join us on stage. You give them a round of applause. Thank you. Okay, so the question is, have you succeeded at your attempts? I love the confidence. Sure, he said sure. Okay, so for the most exhibitors at a Forex event, as mentioned, the minimum number to achieve is 250. And I can announce that walking around the exhibition whilst checking the floor plan, that the number that you have here of exhibitors, I'm sure you know, ladies and gentlemen, is 262, so congratulations. And for the largest number of attendees, the event will only complete at 6 p.m. So for that, we have checked the evidence so far, and the minimum was 10,000, and we can confirm that yesterday's number sits at just over 12,000 attendees on day 1. So we can evidently say that by today they will have succeeded, but the official number will be announced later. So it gives me great pleasure to say, Forex Expo, congratulations, you are officially amazing.
the world record holders today. You were part of it, you were walking around, your attendees too. So it's as much as your award as it is ours. Congratulations, have a big round of applause one last time. Whilst our wonderful stage hands will set up the stage for our very final panel discussion of today, and then we will move on. We'll give them a few minutes to reset, and then we'll begin with our final panel.